After having read the instructions a little bit, it would seem that placing the battery should be as easy as just clicking like that and opening this up. And then I do believe you would have to match up these parts with those. So you put the battery in like so and then press it in. And then obviously you just put this back. And this is how they used to have all the phones set up, which was very nice. I liked that you would able to change the batteries out on your phones really easily. Now with Apple devices and all the other companies have followed suit with Apple, it's so hard to replace your batteries. But I'm so happy that Lenovo stuck with the old system of doing things. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you soon.